How to search using username on Telegram. Hello everybody. In this video we are going to show you how, so let's start without any delay. Open up the Telegram application first, and once you open it up you should be finding chat on your screen. Now from the given interface, all you gotta do is locate up the search bar, which is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, all you gotta do is simply type in the username of the person that you would like. Just go ahead and type in the username and hit tap on their name. And then once you tap on their name, you can just go ahead and add them if you have not, or you can just basically start up a conversation by sending up a message to them like this and hit send. And when you do that, you are basically about to start chat with that person, and that's it. You can follow the same process for the bots as well. You can use the search bar at the top, and if you have any bot, you can just go ahead and type in here, right here, and search for the bots as well. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to search by username on Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.